for all that you have done. Jesus, I magnify your name. Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Thank you for being a part of this channel. I'd like to thank those who have subscribed to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a simple worship song by Eben, All My Worship, and we're going to play it in the key of G. Alright, so if you're not familiar with the key of G, I've done a crash course for beginners on all 12 keys for you to be able to learn how to play the keys, all of them. So check in the description box, you'll see a link to my website. I've arranged them. I also have a playlist on this YouTube channel that you can click on. They are 36 videos. You can watch every one of them and then play, learn along, and then come back to this video, or you can go and learn the key of G and come back so that we can continue. All right, so the progression is very simple. It's a 1 for all that you have done, to a chord 4. Jesus, I magnify, chord 5, and then to a chord 1, your name. So basically, we're going, anything that we're going to add up or push in is going to be centered around 1, 4, 5. Right, so for all that you have done, Jesus, I magnify your name. So all my worship, all my praise belongs to you, my God. So basically that's the whole song. All right, so you can do a 1 before you move to the 4. You can do this chord. Okay, most of the times I call it the flat 7 over a 5. So you play a 5 and then a flat 7 on your right. So you have a 1, 7, then the flat like this. Okay, so for all that you have done, then you move to a 3. Okay, so here you play Jesus, you play 5 over the 1 before you move to a 5 and then 1. So look at it carefully. For all that you have done, Jesus, I magnify. So 5, 1 before you move to a 5. Your name, all my worship, all my praise belongs to you, my God. So basically you can be playing this throughout the whole song and you are okay. So for the chord 2, let's add something to it. All right, so we're going to be inverting it. We'll be playing a 6. The notes is going to be 6, 1, 2, 4. So you look for 6, 1, 2, 4. Okay, then you flatten these notes to get this chord over the 2 like this, A minor 7 flat 5. All right, that's how to construct it. So first we have this a minor 7, then flatten this and then you are done. Okay, all right, so let's start again. For all that you have done, Jesus, I magnify your name. a chord 1, then a flat 7 chord. Okay, you move to a chord 4, then you do a chord 2 with a flat 5, and then 5 over 1, or no, 1 over 5, because when you're doing a fraction, the 1 comes up before the 5, so the base is at the bottom, so you have a 1 over the 5. So basically that's the whole song. Thank you for being a part of this tutorial. Keep on watching, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing the links, and God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.